Wolf cut in 3 minutes. Today's video is going to be a 3-minute wolf cut. Let's get into it. So what we're going to do is we're going to section high point of the head to just in front of the ear, both sides. We're just going to be combing this forward. I've got a band on my wrist. We're going to have that pulled all the way to the front. There we go. A little bit different to the last video because the other one was like up here. This one's going to be here. I'm going to cut it straight out from the head. This back section is going to be combed or brushed. Similar to the last one, straight up to the ceiling. There, straight on the top. Tighten that up. That's our sectioning. So high point, forward. We're going diagonal forward to the front there, just in front of the ear. It's even on both sides. This is taken to that forehead. So there. I'm going to cut it really quite short today. And then this one again, we're going to cut straight to the ceiling, taking those pieces on top shorter and then keeping the length at the bottom. What we're going to use today is our Evos, pulling straight out, and our Evos are going to soften all of this off for us without having to do anything. With these Evo scissors, as you can see, serrated, it's already softened all of that off. So what we can do, now we've got our length, just soften off through that edge. Then this one straight up to the ceiling. We're not going to go as short as that, but we're going to take off the scissor length. These are 6 inches. So we're going to go in like that, just back and forth. So we're catching the blades. There we go. And then just clean up. And we've got a nice softened edge, so you can see there, really nice and soft. Let's pull it out. Pull it out. Give it a shake. Wolfy vibes, wolfy vibes. Boom! That is it. Look at that. So you can see it all around. Little kink where the band was. But let's just free that up a little bit. Beautiful shape. Straight down there. Look at that. That's stunning. Let's lift it up so you can see. Wolf cut in 3 minutes. Stunning. I think I like it. I think I prefer it to the other one I did, to be honest. Look at it. All that weight through there. Ears are sort of peeking out. All this texture that's running through there. So, there we go. Wolf cut in 3 minutes. Hope you've enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments down below what you think. Do you prefer this one or do you prefer the wolf cut in 5 minutes? I'll link it up here. Thank you for watching and we'll see you on the next video.